back in it. And if he, you know what he better do? He better spin it. Okay, I got 2%. Let me let it go for a little bit longer. It'll probably let me be great then. Let me let it get to about 5%. I forgot how much I love that double squeeze. It is so good. I haven't did that in a while. I know I'm probably ODing with the double squeeze tonight because, baby, I think I'm enjoying it a little bit more than y'all. Technical difficulties and all, the show must go on, okay? Okay, let me get back in these comments so I can get me a good laugh. I know y'all cuts up real bad. I get me a good laugh every night that I'm on here. Okay. All right, let's get all these pond glows in. Oh, shit. Surprise. Surprise, chat. Period. Y'all would have thought it was our birthday for real. Now, where the hell did you come from? Just been floating around upside down. We didn't even know that powder was up under there. Period. When that paste be pasting, baby, that powder be yet holding on. How the men be holding on to that patch of hair in that cul-de-sac at the top. That's how that powder be holding on to that sponge. Y'all, the repass for the big bag pool will be in about 30 minutes. Make sure everybody has their dish prepared and ready for the service. Thanks so much for showing up and showing so much love for Big Bag Pool. She definitely served her time. She was a hard worker and she put in many hours for us. We can't thank her enough. We sure gonna miss her. Baby, that pop done laid my big bag sponge to rest. Now it's done laid my pool to rest. I'm gonna have to turn pop loose. It just ain't good for you. That pop don't mean us no good. What's pissing me off is my iPad keep turning on, but every time I try to go to TikTok, it turns back off. What the hell, Leonce? Ooh, that smells good. I just knew that was gonna stink. All them smells mixed together. It actually ain't bad. Gave our sponges a little bird bath real quick. Okay. Ooh, that smells really good. Mmm. We need to do a pine glow overload. Pine glow in cans. Keep it real demure, cute, and cheap. That sounds like a plan, chat. Let me make sure I ain't get the puzzle and the live ended. I'm just over here squeezing and talking to myself. Lord, that would be terrible. Did I squeeze all of y'all? I think I did. Let me squeeze you one more time. Can't trust them. Can't. I'm talking about him. Y'all, we're gonna save this big jug of vanilla for a rinse at the end. We're gonna use her for a rinse because we still got 3 fabric softeners and a bleach that gotta go in here. Okay. Nessa, are you here? If you are, can you get in the box for a second while I pop cans?